Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll discuss TS Inter paper correction full process. As you know that the main paper correction is handled by Telangana State Board of Intermediate Education. Step number 1. So after exams answer sheets are collected, they are sealed at exam centers. They are sent to valuation camps, that is spot valuation centers. Security is strict to prevent tampering. Tampering means using illegal methods to change students' results. Step number 2 is coding. Student details are hidden. Each paper gets a code, barcode. Examiner does not know whose paper it is. Step number 3 is distribution to examiners. The exam papers are given to junior lecturers. So respective subject teachers will get the papers and each one of them will get 30 to 40 papers per day. But now it is around 45 papers. So the lecturers have to correct the papers very carefully because in case a subject expert checks their bundle and if they find an error, then the teacher will be at fault. Step number 4, scheme of valuation. So before correction starts, board provides official answer key of the particular subject exam paper. They also provide stepwise marking scheme and alternative answers. All examiners must follow the same standard. Step number 5, main valuation correction. The examiner checks each answer. Marks are given question wise, step wise for numerical subjects. Partial marks are allowed. In all other subjects, partially they may give you marks, but for English grammar, there are no half mark because there is no partly correct answer. This is the most important stage. Final marks mainly depend on this step. Step number 6. So after the teacher checking the paper, the chief examiner, that is CE, checks sample papers from each examiner's bundle and ensures uniform marking, no extreme strictness or leniency. If issues are found, examiner is corrected or instructed by the CE. Sometimes rechecking of that bundle may happen. Step number 6 is scrutiny. This is a critical stage. Now comes the scrutinizer. What a scrutinizer checks is all questions are evaluated, no answer left unchecked. Means the scrutinizer will check whether the teacher has corrected and allotted marks for each and every question. The scrutinizer will make sure that marks written on each page are correct, totaling inside pages is correct, final total is correct, and marks allotted are correctly transferred to main sheet, that is OMR sheet. So what a scrutinizer will not do is that they do not fully evaluate answers. They do not read